daily practice for English. Personal information.
How was your day?
My day is good.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is okay.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
What is your name?
My name is Sophia.
What is your surname?
My surname is Brown.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
What is your nationality?
I am Spanish.
Where do you live?
I live in Madrid.
What is your address?
15 Rose Street, Madrid. Family.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What is your husband's name?
His name is David.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have one daughter.
What is her name?
Her name is Lily.
How old is she?
She is 5 years old.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is his name?
His name is Carlos.
Where do your parents live?
They live in Barcelona.
Do you have a big family?
No, it is a small family. Home/apartment.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
Is it big or small?
It is medium-sized.
How many rooms are there?
There are 3 rooms.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, I have a kitchen.
Do you have a bathroom?
Yes, I have 2 bathrooms.
Do you have a garden?
No, I don't have a garden.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, I have a small balcony.
What color is your door?
My door is brown.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I like it very much.
Is your home near the city center?
Yes, it is quite near.
What is in your living room?
There is a sofa and a TV.
What is in your bedroom?
There is a bed and a wardrobe.
What is in your kitchen?
There is a stove and a refrigerator.
Do you have a dining table?
Yes, I have a dining table.
How many chairs do you have?
I have 4 chairs.
Do you have a desk?
Yes, in my bedroom.
Where is your computer?
It is on the desk.
Do you have a mirror?
Yes, in the bathroom.
Where is the lamp?
It is next to the bed.
Is your home comfortable?
Yes, it is very comfortable. Daily routine.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do first?
I wash my face.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, every morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
What do you drink?
I drink coffee.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 8:30.
What time do you come home?
I come home at 6 o'clock.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well. Job/work.
Do you work or study?
I work.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it very much.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
How many students do you have?
I have 25 students.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 o'clock.
What time do you finish?
I finish at 4 o'clock.
Do you work on Saturdays?
No, I don't.
Is your job interesting?
Yes, it is very interesting. Food and drinks.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am thirsty.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Do you like salad?
Yes, I like salad.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I eat chicken.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I like fish.
What vegetables do you like?
I like tomatoes and carrots.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples and oranges.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat a sandwich and soup.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you eat snacks?
Yes, sometimes.
What snacks do you like?
I like nuts and fruit.
Do you drink water?
Yes, a lot of water.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, every day.
Do you eat at restaurants?
Sometimes on weekends. Shopping and clothes.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Where do you buy food?
At the supermarket.
Where do you buy clothes?
At the shopping center.
How often do you go shopping?
Once a week.
Do you buy online?
Yes, sometimes.
What are you wearing?
I am wearing a dress.
What color is it?
It is blue.
Do you like this color?
Yes, blue is my favorite.
What shoes are you wearing?
I am wearing white shoes.
Do you wear a jacket?
Yes, when it is cold.
Do you wear a hat?
Sometimes in summer.
What size do you wear?
I wear size medium.
Do you like dresses or trousers?
I like both.
Where do you buy your clothes?
At the mall.
Do you have a favorite shop?
Yes, I have one. Colors and basic questions.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
What color is grass?
Grass is green.
What color is snow?
Snow is white.
What is 5 plus 5?
It is 10.
What is 10 to 3?
It is 7.
How many days are in a week?
There are 7 days.
How many months are in a year?
There are 12 months.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday.
What month is it?
It is September.
What year is it?
It is 2026.
What is the date today?
It is September 15th.
What season is it?
It is autumn.
What is your favorite day?
My favorite day is Saturday.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. Weather.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Is it hot or cold?
It is warm.
Is it raining?
No, it is not raining.
Is it windy?
A little bit.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like rain?
No, I don't like rain.
What do you wear when it rains?
I wear a raincoat.
Do you carry an umbrella?
Yes, I do.
What is the weather like in winter?
It is cold and snowy.
What is the weather like in summer?
It is hot and sunny. Directions and places.
Where is the bank?
It is on Main Street.
Where is the hospital?
It is near the park.
Where is the supermarket?
It is next to the pharmacy.
Where is the bus stop?
It is in front of the school.
Where is the train station?
It is in the city center.
Is there a park near your home?
Yes, there is.
Is there a library in your city?
Yes, there is a big library.
Where is the nearest cafe?
It is around the corner.
How far is the airport?
It is 20 kilometers away.
Is your city big or small?
It is a big city.
Excuse me, where's the post office?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it is 5 minutes away.
How do I get to the museum?
Walk straight for 2 blocks.
Should I turn right or left?
Turn right at the traffic light.
Is it on this street?
Yes, it is on this street.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, it is across the street.
Can I walk there?
Yes, you can walk.
Do I need to take a bus?
No, it is very close.
Where is the exit?
The exit is over there. Transportation.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you take the metro?
Yes, sometimes.
How much is a bus ticket?
It is 2 euros.
Where's the bus stop?
It is across the street.
What time does the bus come?
It comes every 10 minutes.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, on weekends.
Do you walk to work?
No, it is too far.
Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, I like it. Hobbies and free time.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and cooking.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play any instrument?
No, I don't.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like swimming.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening.
What programs do you like?
I like comedies.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read a lot.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
What is your favorite movie?
I like romantic comedies. Health and feelings.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Do you have a headache?
No, I don't.
Are you sick?
No, I am healthy.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do yoga.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink a lot.
Do you go to the doctor?
Yes, once a year. Polite phrases and classroom English.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
May I sit here?
Yes, please sit down.
Could you repeat that?
Yes, I said. Hello.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I can speak slowly.
What does this word mean?
It means happy.
How do you say gracias in English?
You say thank you.
Is this correct?
Yes, it is correct.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye. You too.